Yes, hello, good morning. This is a nice song. I'll be alone with bleeding hands. Let it break with never plans. You were my life, my reason why. Now I just talk to an empty sky. I'm still waiting at the door where you loved her lips before. Every night I whisper low, come back home, don't let me go. But silence is all I know. You wore your cap, I picked your style. Watch you chase your dreams and fly. I gave you wings, I still behind. But now you're gone, I'm sorry, I'm still waiting at the door where your footsteps, that's the floor. Everything begins to fade, but the love, it always stays. Still alive, still a friend. Don't much, just one more day to hear you go, to hear you say that I remember who you are. But places don't go that far, so I sing here on the stage. All the time I'm full of pain, not for gold, not for fame, just to call out your name. Still waiting, still the same. Well, thank you so much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.